So now we've reached the solo section of the song. Now, it might be a little bit harder for me to play this half speed than it is to play it full speed like I do on stage, but I'm gonna give it a go and hopefully give you guys some insight on where the solo begins and ends. It begins with the opening riff, and then there's a series of bends that are based around this fifth string power chord position. Then we move up into the 10th fret D position as well. The song is in D minor, as you remember. And then we end up here with a sort of scale-like riff. I'll play it slow first, and then we can build up the speed, build up our hand strength, and nail the solo. Let's do it. 1, 2, ready, begin. And that'll go into the last pre-chorus, which will be your 4th string bar chords, G, E flat, B flat, crescendoing to a D, then you go to your last pre-chorus and then the chorus out. Now it's your turn to practice.